Working with Ford AV has been a real pleasure, not just because they delivered on time and on budget, but also because they were a real sparring partner and they came with solutions that we wouldn't have found otherwise. I'm Lieven Bertels. I'm the director here at the Momentary in Bentonville, Arkansas. So as the director, I moved here from abroad to help start this project in this former Kraft food cheese plant to turn this space into this exciting new arts venue, an everyday living room for contemporary art. So it's not a museum, it's really a place where people feel at home, and the idea is that you can come here to see the exhibits, the shows, to listen to concerts, but also just to grab a coffee or a bite or to come and work here in some of our shared workspaces. But of course, to turn it into a contemporary art space and to allow it to be flexible, we had to rely on a lot of technology. This was a very complex project because we had theatrical stuff going into some of our spaces. We wanted to build a concert hall in a former garage, and we wanted to tie together all of these spaces in a modular kind of way. So there were acoustic challenges, but there were also AV challenges, and we were very happy to work with an expert like Ford AV to bring it all together and to help us with the execution on a very tight timeline as well. Working with Ford AV has been a real pleasure, not just because they delivered on time and on budget, but also because they were a real sparring partner and they came with solutions that we wouldn't have found otherwise. It's nice to know that we can bring top-notch sound and light and video throughout the building with the help of Ford AV.